Do you want to know how you can log into your Zachry Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Zachry Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Zachry Payroll Login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Zachry Payroll. Now go ahead and write down your username on the first box and go to the password section, write down your password associated with your account and then click on this button over here to check your password. Then go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your payroll account in Zachry. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link over here and then you can write down your EIN and your last name and click reset password, and you can easily reset your password doing this. I hope this video about how you can log into your Zachry Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.